IELTS Vocabulary Series Day Number 2.
Abandon. It is noun. Means surrender, renounce. He abandoned all hopes of recovery. Abnormal. It is adjective. Means unusual, uncommon. An abnormal climate stunted the crops. Abolish. It is verb. Means stop, terminate. Do abolish this kind of bad evil. Abrupt. It is adjective. Means sudden, unexpected. The bus came to an abrupt halt. Absent. It is adjective. Means on leave, gone or missing. George is absent today. Absolutely. It is adverb. Means completely, totally. I'm absolutely positive it was him. Absurd. It is adjective. Means preposterous, ridiculous. He often says absurd things. Abundance. It is noun. Means profusion, plentifulness. The abundance of money ruins youth. Abundant. It is adjective. Means plentiful, copious or ample. The river is abundant in fish. Abuse. It is noun. Means misuse, misapplication. You can't abuse your power.